What's going on, guys? What I have here is a $250 price to performance gaming PC. This gaming PC has a 4th gen i5 as well as a GTX 1050 2GB version. This PC also has an SSD as well as a hard drive, so it can store all your games and boot up really fast. The motherboard we're using is the PAZ77V LE Plus. We got it for $50. The seller also included an i5 3570K for an extra $50. We got two 4GB DDR3 1600MHz kit for only $30. The cooler we used was the Cooler Master Hyper T2, which we got for $15. We got a 1TB Western Digital 7200 RPM hard drive for only $20. The SSD we're using is the China-only Lenovo 120GB we got for $30. The power supplies we are using is a 700W 80 plus silver certified we got for $55. Finally is the graphics card. This is a GTX 1050 2GB version from an Asus OEM machine that we got for $60. And the case we're using to hold our components together is the Deepcool TX Mid-Tower Tesseract SW that we got for $40. I think we got a really good deal on this case because we got two blue LED fans pre-installed, one in the back and one in the front. Here is the price list. Here is the building process. And there it is, the $250 gaming PC. And here are some benchmarks. Overall, this is the best price to performance PC we ever built. We even managed to overclock 2 of the cores to 4.3 GHz and the other 2 to 4.2 GHz for some extra performance, thanks to the Cooler Master T2 cooler. With a little bit of patience, you could also build a PC just like this one with your local market. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to click on that subscribe button, more videos like this coming your way.